I'm not taking a picture. Video.
I'm gonna get a video too.
Yeah. You stay there. You want to be on video, you silly gooses.
I want to be in the video too.
Then go over there. Oh, that's why this iPad case is sliding. What are you guys doing? What are you doing?
Nothing.
You just came in here to wake me up.
Yes.
How kind of you.
Funny. I didn't wake you up.
Yes, you did.
No way. I did wake you up.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
No way.
Yeah, you did. You woke me up.
I did.
You both did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. Oh, hi, Eli. What are you doing?
I'm going to play Legos.
Go play.
I don't want to play.
You don't want to play? You want to stay here?
Yep. Why do you have cookies in your room?
Oh, because I haven't put them away from... That's what I ate on the plane, and I haven't eaten them yet. I haven't put them away.
Biggie! Where's Biggie? Right there. Oh. That's a funny cat with a necklace on.
Yeah. Okay. When everything is in its place, you can talk to me about bringing another toy into the house. But right now,
not
you have too much stuff.
Let me try again.
And you don't even take care of the stuff that you have. I have to constantly get on you.
Dominic, stop. Do it again.
Abigail, you're whining.
Mommy, but he took the man away from me.
Give it to her.
Oh! You didn't say stop though, but you got it.
Keep playing. 1, 2.
Oh snap! Lady Gaga, 24 more days. Woohoo! So excited! The Queen is back. I can't believe it's 1 o'clock already. I thought it was 7. It's ridiculous. Where's the time going? I don't know.